Hey guys, what's up? So we're gonna look at operations with whole numbers, okay? Since we were doing computation, right, and the order of arithmetic operations. But let's just look at the individual operations, okay? So addition. Let's look at an example of addition. 475 plus 329, okay? All right, so we usually add like this in base 10, right? 5 plus 9 is 1, and then a 4 here, and then 7 plus 2 plus 1 would give us 10, which is 1 here and 0 here. Then 4 plus 3 plus 1 would give us 8. So it's 804, right? Cool. Now let's look at subtraction. Finish with addition, we're going to look at subtraction now. Let's say we have 745, right? 745 minus 381, right? Okay. So 5 minus 1 would give us 4. 8 minus 4, we need to borrow from this 7, so it gets 6 here, and then 14 here. 8 minus 14 would give us 6, and then 3 minus 6 would give us 3, okay? All right, so we'll finish with subtraction. So let's look at some division, and we're going to use long division, okay? So we're going to say, we're going to divide 25 into 8350, okay? Okay, so we're gonna do long division in this case. So can 25 go into 8? No. So put a 0 here. Can 25 go into 83? Yes. 25 can go into 83 3 times. So 3 times 25 would give us 75 minus the 83. I'll get 8 here. Carry down this 5, right? Remember how you did it in primary or prep school, right? Then, okay, so 25, can 25 go into 85? Yes, it can. It can go in there 3 times. 25 times 3 would give us 75 minus 85, right? And the reason why we brought down the 5 is because 25 cannot go into 8, so we brought it down. Then we get 10 now. Then can 25 go into 10? No. So I have to carry down this 0. Then we get 100. And 25 can go into 100 4 times, right? So the product, sorry, not the product. The quotient, right? Quotient, the quotient is equal to 334, right? So when we divide, we call what we get the quotient, okay? All right, so let's look at multiplication now, all right? All right, guys, so looking at multiplication now, we're going to have 431 times 247, all right? All right, so 7 times 1 would give us 7 here. 7 times 3 would give us 21. 2 carry 1. Then 7 times 4 would be 28. 28 plus 2 would give us 30. Okay. Then for this 4 now, we're going to put a placeholder here, a 0, because of this space. Then we're going to say 4 times 1 would give us 4. 4 times 3 would be 12, so that's 1, and then carry down the 2. 4 times 4 would be 16, and then plus the 1 would be 17. Cool. Then the next one now, the 2, we'd have 2 placeholders. Then 2 times 1 would give us 2. 2 times 3 would give us 6. And 2 times 4 would give us 8. All right. And then we'd add all of these 3 in order to get the answer. So we'll add these 3 and we're going to get 7. 4 plus 1 would give us 5. 2 plus 2 would give us 4. 7 plus 6 plus 3 would give us what? 16. 1, 6. And then a 10 here. So it's 106,457. So that's the answer. And we'll call this the product, okay? So the product, which is what you get when you multiply, is 106,457. All right, that's the answer. All right, guys. So great. So we looked at all the operations with whole numbers. Now we're going to look at some worded problems where we use these 4 operations, okay? These 4 operations. Cool.